Should I replace my filter every month? Usually no, because most home air filters last 1 to 3 months. But homes with pets, allergies, smoking, construction dust, or heavy use may need a new filter every month. Your filter catches dust, pet hair, pollen, and other particles before they move through your heating and cooling system. A dirty filter blocks airflow, so the system has to work harder and may use more electricity. It can also make rooms feel less comfortable and allow dust to collect around the house. Check the filter once a month by holding it near a light and replace it when you cannot see light clearly through the material. A thin 1-inch filter often needs changing every 1 to 3 months, while thicker filters can sometimes last longer. Always follow the size and replacement advice printed on the filter or in the equipment manual. Homes with pets, several residents, allergies, or nearby remodeling work usually need more frequent changes. One detail many people miss is that a filter can look gray but still work well, while a filter covered with a thick, fuzzy layer may already be restricting airflow. Write the installation date on the frame so you can track its real service life instead of guessing. A common mistake is replacing the filter only when the system stops working, so check it monthly before problems begin. Another mistake is installing it backward, so point the arrow toward the furnace or air handler, which is the direction the air travels. Some people also buy the thickest filter available, but an overly restrictive filter can reduce airflow, so use the highest filtration level your system is designed to handle. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.